Hey, good morning, folks. AJ here, and we are back down here in South Carolina at New Hope to finish getting some work done. I thought I had everything, and I realized I forgot my vacuum because I know we're going to be making a mess because I do have my impact drill so that we can get this stuff through. Also got the Thor HDMI modulator, which I believe will make getting the signal over to the other TVs easier because there are already coax cables everywhere. So you never know. We may be able to knock out everything. I will have to come back anyway because I did order some additional racks for the equipment that will live up under the table. So, but we will, and I'm trying to get in here while being on the phone. Do as best as we can to knock out as much as we can as well. I'm gonna work on getting the back TV set up. I got the stuff to cut through there, but I think that's actually gonna go faster. So I'm gonna work on that, then work on drilling the holes here to feed the cables through, and then we'll go from there. All right, the pass through is there. I don't have it plugged in. So if we walk around, gonna have an extension go to right over there, but it's right there. So I'm gonna figure out a way to get an extension cable or something over here to plug it in, and we'll power this up. And I'm trying to think, should I run the HDMI cable I have already over there, or I might bring the ladder to see if I can drop it through the wall and come through. That would save from having to do another piece of conduit, which I just remembered I did not get. But I'm gonna go up here, see if I can pop a hole and drop this down, and then we'll go from there. Alrighty, so I got my masonry bit, and we're gonna make a 2-inch diameter hole. So if anybody else comes behind me, we have a clear path to make it easy for them to add some more stuff. After I do that, we're gonna widen the hole over there so we can run the HDMI cable down in the wall. And I am probably gonna try and come back and do the same thing for that TV, hopefully. Guess I should have did that while I was over there. Oh well, we're over here now. Let's get up here and see if we can widen the hole. Alrighty, folks. Did I hit the wrong button? I think I did. I think I turned the TVs off. There we go. Yeah, I think I turned these off by mistake, because we got our stage display up, we got our cables ran. So it looks like this entrance is new. This used to be, I guess, the back of the church, because I was having issues trying to drill through there, and then I looked up and I didn't pay attention. That wasn't solid. So when I went up and did some CSAA ministry here, we went up, and I guess the stained glass window that was a part of the front of the church, that whole hole is open right here, and the glass was taken out, and all of the cables ran through there. So I pulled all of my cables back, went straight up, and I was able to bring them through that hole that was already there, and I was able to drop them down here. So I got a couple, that's a whole bunch of extra slack, and I got them here. I'm probably going to make a new hole in the tile there and just run them down the wall right here. But as you can see, we got that camera up. I need to pull, that is the fiber cable for that camera, and the other one for the left side is over here somewhere. So I need to get that, but I do see the path. So I just got 2 cables I need to pull up. I'm gonna see if I can fish that down through the wall, because I made enough slack. I did run that through, and I have an extension cable just connected to that outlet right now for right here. So might make it a little bit neater, but that's technically what's going to be done on this side. I saw where these cables are, so I need to go back up and drop the HDMI cable down to get to this TV, and then we're going to concentrate the rest of the time to hook back up these speakers that are on the floor up here, because the ones that are on the pulpit, they're not connected at all. When I was playing music, we were just coming from the white speakers behind those. I need to isolate and find out what the hanging speakers that are facing the congregation, what they're going to be doing. And then also test out, I saw the coax that's going in this direction because I went all the way up here. There's a double ceiling. So this drop ceiling that you see, but it's a ceiling right above that with exposes, and I could walk all the way down. I don't want to. I don't think I need to, but there is a coax cable. I just need to find that and then find where that locates back here, and I'm gonna put the Thor on there and see if we get a signal through that way. But we're making good progress, good progress. Oh my God, thank you, Lord. Sitting here so long trying to figure out which cable is which, and yay! That's coming from the Thor. Whew. All right, so we just got to go through, program the rest of the TVs. I need to get a splitter to connect to everything, and we ain't got to worry about a cable ran through here. Internet, all that other cable, I don't have to worry about. The only thing now I got to figure out is I'm going back through brick again, trying to figure out how to get this cable for the front camera connected. Man, I'm just glad. I'm so glad that's working. So let's go to the other TVs. And the good thing is, if there's an issue, we just got to run a coax cable from there to the TV. So that's good. All right, folks, didn't get as far as I wanted, but I was able to isolate some of the speakers. I got the pulpit monitors configured, separated the hanging ones to where they're the main audio, got the back ones working, got video here, got the Thor set up, was troubleshooting, well, not troubleshooting, but trying to find the cable that leads to pastor's office, but wasn't able to isolate that one. So I ran a cable on the floor just to make sure it's working. That is still presented there. We're going to get a license before I come back so we can get that activated. That's what I was looking for. I was pulling a cable because it looked like there was no cable in this back room. That's what that was for originally. But when I got up in the ceiling, I opened it up. There was a coax just stuck in the wall. So we are going to see if I can get a reception off of that cable, and that's a no. But need to find out what that is, because it is a cable. I just gotta play around and find out which one is which. Worst case scenario, we pull another one. I don't think it would be that much of an issue to pull this over the ceiling. I mean, because that cable is going somewhere. For all I know, that might be one that's all the way in the back in the media room. So we'll just put a splitter on that side, not a problem. This is the cable that I was trying to connect to it, but that's going to pastor's office. There's a jack all the way up there. I don't know why that was there unless the TV was originally there, and then there's a jack right there, but that's not working. At least with some of the cables I tried, but this is a direct connection. So there we are in the sanctuary. We got a signal. This again is with the Thor, so good signal there. And let's take another little trip, and again, that is taking video and audio. I'm obviously not playing anything right now because I don't want to get hit. And we got this one. There's a bunch of other coaxes, but I don't know where those reside at. So what I'm gonna do is I gotta head back because we got Bible study at Signs and Wonders, so I'm gonna help them run that. On the way back, I'm gonna stop at Lowe's because my drill couldn't get through the brick, and I need to get a masonry bit that can go through there. All right, so there's another coax there. This is in First Lady's Lounge, so have to test some of these stuff out. I mean, worst case scenario, I don't know where these coaxes are. I'm just going to do a splitter. That's the beauty of using the Thor. I don't have to do anything else. I just got to split the coax and let it go to wherever, and then we're good to go. So that's one. I mean, it's about 8 different coax cables running around here. So I don't know where they go, but if a TV is hooked up to it, I am glad to know that channel 2-1 is the sanctuary. So yay. Link is down below to everything, folks. I need to get up out of here, and we got crunch time tomorrow because, like I said, I have a hard stop at noon to get back so I can take my daughter to orientation for school, and then we got to make sure we get everything cleaned up so that they can run service and live stream. The good thing is we know we got audio and sound, cameras, all this other good stuff. Even if the front camera is not working, it doesn't matter. We have the sides and the back working. That's all that matters. We got sound. So like I said, and that hole was not big enough for me to pull my cables through. So I need to widen that a little bit, and that will give me a shot right there. All right, I think that's it, folks. Let me get up on the road, and we will see y'all tomorrow. If you like this type of content, appreciate a like. Consider subscribing. Hit that bell. That way you get notified when we come out with other videos to help modernize your media ministry. You know, if you want some help, you can always contact me at ajhomes.com/consultations. Me or D will follow back up with you, and we can do on-site, phone call, Zoom, whatever, to help you modernize your media ministry. So catch y'all tomorrow, folks. Later.